how to create WhatsApp channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can create a WhatsApp channel, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to create a WhatsApp channel, just open up your Play Store and then in the search box just type in WhatsApp and then just ensure the WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. After you've done that, what you basically want to do is you simply want to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application here and then just go ahead to this updates tab that you can find from the bottom. And maybe you're seeing many other people creating channels like this and then you also want to create your own channel. How do you do that? To do this, all you have to do is just tap the plus icon that you can find here. Now if it is available in your region, you'll find the option called create new channel. In my case, you can see only find channels. Don't worry, because WhatsApp is slowly releasing this feature to everybody and each and every part of the world, so you might want to actually wait. If you're on the beta version, you will find that option obviously, but if you're not on the beta, WhatsApp is going to take some time to roll out this feature, which is the option to create a channel. Once you've done that, you should be able to find the channels option and then create it in that way. Just make sure that your WhatsApp app is always updated to the latest version. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.